work 67 page dash if the first number, which is the first number that we have to write on top.
Yes.
Okay, I want to
You
ask
have to
that.
multiply these sums by the column method. Any
have
first
done.
number, any number you can write at the top out of these two.
But ma'am, I have written first number top in every sum.
It's okay. That's also right. Okay, good morning everyone. Good morning. Lakshya, you also stay for 2 minutes after the class. Good morning. So today we are going to start our class. Today our concept is about money. We are going to learn about money. Have you all completed your work which I have given yesterday about the multiplication sums? But I can see only 7 to 8 responses. Only 7 to 8 children are turning their work and sending me on the same day. What about the others? I will come at your place and I will do for you all.
I'll send it today.
I said only if you want to see your names, I can show you also only 7 to 8 children are turning their work on the same day. Others are waiting and relaxing. Who is this?
Good morning, ma'am.
Which child is this who said good morning right now? It's already 5 minutes started to our class. Nek Italia, you also wait after the class. I want to talk to you. Nek Italia, Lakshya Thakral, Vansh and Vivan Balchandani, Anushka Choraria. They please wait after the class for 5 minutes. I want to talk with them. So now we just check our answers which I have given yesterday. So I'm going to present you my screen. Please guide me whether it is visible or not.
Excuse me, Renu ma'am. I have a doubt of column method.
I'll clear it out before start. So these were the sums.
Ma'am, it is visible.
These were the sums which I have given you to complete it.
Page number.
I've done it.
Which child is asking about the page number?
Ma'am, yesterday you sent it us in the homework, right? And in the column method, we have to do it in the notebook, right?
Yes.
I sent it to the picture attached only at 8:30 or sometime.
So I want how many of you have completed? Only 7 to 8 children completed that task. What about the others? How they will check the answers today if they have not done?
Ma'am, can you tell the names they have sent?
You want to see?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's see. Can you see my classroom screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see this?
No.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in column method.
Okay, I'll clear it out. See, these are the children. Yes.
Ma'am, I have done, but I forgot to send it.
You have to send on time.
Oh, sorry.
See, I can see Arna Agarwal. Arna Agarwal, she turned in her work, but she doesn't attach it, so her work is not here. Anushka also not attach her work. Dhruv Patel has sent me. Dhyan Dalal has sent me. Rahil, Rudra Mangokia, Vivan Patel, Yash Desai, Yug Baria. So these are the children, only 9 children turn in. Out of these 2 children, yes. Have you checked your name?
Ma'am, but I turned into you at.
I also turned into you.
See, but I can show you. See, here is everything. Only these children turn in their work.
Ma'am, I sent it to you yesterday, day before yesterday.
I am talking about yesterday's work.
Renu ma'am? I sent it to yesterday's work.
Yes, Ayan's mother, please talk to me. Yes.
Ma'am, आईआईटी में टर्न इन किया है मैम, लगातार होमवर्क टर्न इन कर रहा है वो मैम। कल का
Ma'am,
नहीं
I'm
है
not
उसका आपके
talking
पास?
about. I'm not talking about the previous Ayansh work I'm getting, but yesterday's
हाँ,
work I have not received till now.
Ma'am, yesterday's work.
yesterday was not received.
You check the Google Classroom. I have given some work.
नहीं, यस मैम आई नो, आपने वर्क दिया था, वो कोई बुक की टेस्ट एक्सरसाइज दी थी, आई
Yes,
नो मैम।
yes.
टर्न इन किया मैंने, हो सकता है आई फॉरगॉट, आई विल चेक मैम।
Oh, bye.
Okay.
Mummy will talk.
Because I have a sheet with me. I can show you. Those who turn in on time, their names are here. Those who are not turn in, their names are with blank. You can see
Okay,
here.
okay.
They have not attached their work. Vihan, I got yours.
Yes, ma'am.
But yes.
Ma'am, Gunav is there.
इसको
Yeah,
करना था।
ma'am, Gunav, you have to wait after the class for 5 minutes.
Ma'am, I have written, but I forgot to send the pictures.
Yes. So please be punctual, on time. And now we start our answers. Those who have not done, they simply wait and watch. Those who have done, they can check their answers.
You know, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have. You have given the sums from the page number 67. No, I was
Wait
not.
a minute. Yes, Anushka.
Ma'am,
Anushka, tell me, I cannot hear you. Speak loudly.
Ma'am, some classes I have not attended, and junk fellow when you were starting now, but some I have done.
Prachi, please switch off your microphone.
Ma'am, I have done. See, I have done.
Yes, ma'am, I have also done.
My dear, you please have to attach and send it to me. Showing
Ma'am, I
here,
forgot to give on you.
you please attach your work and click the picture and send it to me. And I have not told to do in the book. I have told to do in the notebook.
But ma'am, I have done it before you have started the junk seller chapter. I was not attending the class that time.
But you are not sending your work at all, my dear. You have to send to me so that I can also see what you are doing.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now all the discussions will be after the class, please.
Ma'am, I would out. Ma'am,
Yes, Riddhi.
ma'am, as you say that
Migdad, wait.
as you say to attach our work, so we have to do mark as done or add attachment and click our photo.
Attachment and click your photo.
Okay.
Yes, Migdad.
Ma'am, I would doubt how can we do column method of 3 and 1.
Yes, I will tell you.
Ma'am, I have sent. I just now also checked. I have turned into you.
Okay. Now check the answers, those who have completed.
Ma'am, I want to say that second answer is wrong. It comes 1000. I checked again. I
Okay,
do
I'll
the
check.
column method.
No, it's 1880.
And it's 1000.
37 multiplied by 18 is 1000.
No, ma'am. B.
Then?
Second.
45 multiplied by 24.
Yes.
Okay, let me check. Which child is this?
Rudra.
Rudra Mangokia.
Yes, ma'am.
So you have done this sum by column method.
Yes, ma'am. I can show you.
Ma'am, your second one
No,
answer
my
is
dear,
right.
this
It is 1080. Yes, ma'am, you are right.
1080 is the answer. Your answer is wrong.
1080, not 1000.
Yes, it's 1080. Children, please check your answers and fill them in your book. Do it with the column method. Send me your picture.
Ma'am, I have done the sums in my rough notebook. And
Why you have done in the rough notebook? If already instructed to you to do in the notebook.
I thought we have to do the
All answers are right.
answers in
Please
the...
check your answers now. Khevna, do it in the class notebook and send me.
Every answer is right.
Okay, ma'am.
So all have
Every answers are right.
1 more minute. I will put it on the screen and then I'll start the next topic. Please switch off your microphones. First is 666. 45 multiplied by 24 is 1080. 69 multiplied by 52 is 3588. 77 multiplied by 55 is 4235. 142 multiplied by 5 is 710. 382 multiplied by 3 is 1146. 2 multiplied by 175 is 350. And 4 multiplied by 206 is 825. Now I will move ahead. I hope everyone has completed.
Now can you clear my doubt?
Ma'am,
Yes,
can you check I have received or not?
I will check out now after the class.
Okay.
Okay, now we have today's topic is about money. Now who will tell me, please raise your hand only, that who will tell me what are we going to, Daniela, switch off your microphone. Rahil, sit properly. Dhruv, sit properly.
Ma'am,
Yes, Rudra.
ma'am, I want to ask how it is wrong.
You check it, my dear, do it again. It's okay if we do 2 or 3 times any sum, then it's okay.
But I have done, but it is same answer only.
No, you have to check, my dear. Or you stay after the class, I'll explain you.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Ashvi.
Ma'am, how we have to do 3 digits?
I will explain you.
Okay, ma'am.
I have already explained, but you children are not listening at all. Now we'll explain you again, but before going to the 3-digit column method, I first want to explain you about the topic money. Lamha, switch on your microphone and tell me what is money and where we use money.
Sorry, ma'am. Can you repeat the question again? I didn't hear it.
What is money and why we use money?
Ma'am, money is a thing in which we buy something. We can only buy something with the help of the money.
Okay, is she right, Ayush? You want to talk on this?
Yes, ma'am. I had a little bit different answer. Money is a paper. It's a simple paper, but something is printed on it, which is used to buy something.
Yes.
And when
Can you make the money? Can we and you make the money?
Then I know from where money comes.
Yes. From where money comes, Lamha?
Rahil
Rahil, sit properly.
Just before few days. When I asked her that, Mama, from where money comes, so she said that it is like Delhi in like, I don't know what's the place, but in some place it is a bank known as in where money is made.
Yes, RBI, Reserve Bank of India.
Reserve Bank of India, yes.
RBI is the Reserve Bank of India, where the money is registered and then only it comes into us. Right? We cannot make money. Yes, make that.
Reserve Bank
India's money, Delhi
Yes.
is Indian money. So of Europe, some other.
Yes, in different countries, they have different currencies. Yes.
I know one thing about money.
Yeah, Lamha.
Ma'am,
Rudra, switch off your microphone. I will tell the child name. There is switch off your microphone. Yes, Lamha, tell me.
Yeah, ma'am. I was asking that from the bank money from the bank money is made, right? So ma'am, from
Yes.
the bank, where does the money goes and comes to us?
Money goes to different banks, and then it is a circulation. The money from RBI, it comes to the small banks, and then it is the circulation to us,
Thank
right?
you, ma'am.
Before money, we were having a barter system. Barter system
I
means,
understand. So we had to give something
yes,
else without
yes,
money, right?
yes. That time the people were not doing the transactions in the money. They were doing in the transaction in the barter system. Means if I am having wheat, so I want rice, so I will give some wheat to another person, and that person will give me rice. This way, people were exchanging their goods.
Then I have an example too.
Yes.
If I will give him like some grains,
Yes.
so he will give me what?
Whatever you want.
Okay, so he can give me a toy or something.
Yes.
Or any edible thing.
Before, people were more believing in the edible things. Nowadays, we are more in contact with these artificial things, right?
Yes.
Okay. So now I'll tell you.
Ma'am.
Yes, Rudra, tell me.
I want to say about notes.
Yes.
If Reserve Bank want to print the money, they have to give the gold to America's national bank.
Yes, yes, yes. There is a deal between the different countries, and then they do these transactions. Right? So moving ahead, make that switch off your microphone.
And I have a doubt.
Yes, my dear, tell me.
Ma'am, I too have a doubt.
Yes, okay, wait. Big Dad, tell me.
What's RBI?
Ma'am.
RBI, I already told, RBI is the Reserve Bank of India, is the mother bank of all the banks.
Okay. Means the main bank of the world.
Yes.
Okay.
Now tell me, Riddhi.
Ma'am, I was.
Riddhi, switch on your camera and mic and speak.
Switch on your camera and speak.
Ma'am, before few days, you were teaching no interest and simple interest was there. So I didn't understood that simple interest.
Yes, I will take extra classes and explain you. Okay.
Okay.
Right now we are learning about money now. So symbol of Indian currency.
Ma'am, you are very hungry.
I am very.
Ma'am, I can't hear you. Ma'am.
Okay. Prachi ma'am, just check. Am I audible?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Your voice is breaking a lot.
Ma'am, you are audible.
Okay, I'll clear it out.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking so much.
Ma'am, there must be internet connection issue among that children who aren't able to hear you. Your voice isn't breaking right now.
Riva, just check your internet connection, my dear.
Okay, okay.
So symbol of Indian currency is this one. So remember it, this is the symbol of Indian currency. Forms. Money in Indian currency, the money is in the forms of coins and notes, right? Yes or no? Money is in the form of coins and
I can't see you. Yes. Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, I can't see you.
Okay, just tell me.
Ma'am, your voice is also breaking. No, ma'am, your voice is not breaking and you are clear.
Okay. So now I'm going to present you
Yes, ma'am.
one video. Prachi ma'am, just guide me whether this video is audible or not.
We all
Sure,
know
ma'am.
that we buy goods
Ma'am, it's audible.
like grocery, fruit. We all know that we buy goods with. Hello kids.
Ma'am.
We all know that we buy goods like grocery, fruits, vegetables, clothes and other items in exchange of money.
See, when we buy all these things like grocery item, vegetables, fruits, toys, clothes, so in exchange of money, then only we get these items.
We use the services of people like doctors, lawyers, helpers, plumbers,
And then when we use the services of these peoples, then also we have to pay the money.
carpenters in exchange of money. We pay them in rupees and paise. In India, we have coins and notes of different denominations.
See, we can see in India, we have coins and notes. You can see 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupee and 20, 200. These notes are also available.
They are. Now, let's look at some examples showing different conversions. 1. How many coins of 5 rupees make a 100 rupees?
So now I will ask question from you all. How many 5 rupee notes make 100 rupees?
Ma'am,
Can I say?
Yes.
Ma'am,
20 notes.
Yes. How many 5 rupee? Please write the answer in the chat box. How many 5 rupee notes make 100 rupees? Please write the answer in the chat box. Vivan, just check. Vihan is right. Yug Baria, check your answer. Dhruv is right. Yes. So 25 rupees note make the 100. Stop messaging now. Again, I'll play my video. Please check carefully. Prachi ma'am, this is visible.
100 divided by 5
Prachi ma'am, this is
Yes,
visible.
ma'am, it's visible.
is equal to 20. So, 20 coins of 5 rupees make a 100 rupees. 2. Similarly, 10 coins of 10 rupees make 100 rupees. Think 100 divided by 10 is equal to 10. So, here 10 plus 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 10
When you add
plus
10 for 10
plus
times
10 is equal to
100.
100. 3. 5 notes of 20 rupees make 100 rupees. Here, 100 divided by 20 is equal to 5. So, 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20 is equal to 100. 4. 2 notes of 50 rupees make 100 rupees.
Ma'am, the video is paused.
Yes, ma'am, and this is so black also.
Wait a minute, Miss Ma'am has lost her connection. Everyone, switch off your microphone.
Ma'am,
Ma'am?
we can't hear properly.
Yeah, I can see that Miss Ma'am has lost her connection. Everyone, switch off your microphone until she is back.
Children, am I audible to everyone?
Yes, Renu ma'am, now you are audible.
Voice is breaking.
Rupees divided by value of note is equal to number
Prachi
of
ma'am, this is visible?
Yes, ma'am, now visible and audible too.
Now I will ask few questions. How many 10 rupee makes 50 rupees? How many?
Ma'am, what is 10?
How many 10 rupees note make 50 rupees?
Ma'am, can I?
5.
Dhyan, you will add 10. You will take 10 notes of 10 rupees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If I take 10 notes of 10 rupees, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It will be 100. So how many 10 rupees note I will take? How many 10 rupees note I will take to make it 100? 5. Okay. Now how many 100 rupees note I will take to make 400? How many 100 rupee note I will take to make it 400? Please write the answer in the chat box.
4.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, can you all see money? Yes. How many 20 rupees note? How many 20 rupees note you will take to make it 60 rupees?
3.
Very good. We will take 3 20 rupees notes to make it 60. So I will take 3 20 rupees notes to make it 60. How many 500 rupees note you will take to make it 4,000?
Ma'am, 8.
How many 500 rupees note? Please write the answer in the chat box.
Ma'am, 8.
1, 2, is Vihan is right? We will take 8 notes for make it 4,000.
Yes, ma'am.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We take 8 notes of 500 rupees to make it 4,000. Am I clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so now you know how many notes we have to take to make the money. Okay, now how many 5 rupee coin I will take to make it 25?
Ma'am, 5.
I have coins also with me.
Ma'am,
How many coins I will 5 rupee coin I will take to make 25? Please write the answer in the chat box.
Ma'am, 5 rupees. Ma'am, what did you say? 25 rupees? Ma'am, 5 coins of 5 rupees.
Yes, Riddhi, wait a minute. Let me listen, Riddhi. Yes, Riddhi, tell me.
Can you please stop your presentation?
Okay.
Ma'am, 5 coins of 5.
How many 5
Ma'am, what's
rupee
your
coins I
question?
will take to make it 25?
Ma'am, 5.
1, 2. You can see here the 5 is written. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 coins, right?
Yes.
How many coins? 5 coins. So now we will learn about now our topic is to learn about the conversion of money. Conversion of money means sometimes you are getting confused that this is 1,245 paisa. So how you will convert it into the rupees? Or if it is in rupees, stop messaging now, children. Stop messaging. Now, my question is when I will say I am talking about rupees. So if I say 6 rupees, if 6 rupees is how many pesas, that are we going to learn today. So I'm going to present you something.
600.
Yes, that I will explain you along with this.
600 paisa.
Once you stop messaging, then only you will pay the attention in the class. So conversion of money into rupees into paisa. First, we will learn the conversion of money from rupees to paise. We know that 1 rupee equals to how many paisas?
100.
Yes. Ayush, my screen is visible?
Yes, ma'am. Which you have presented? Yeah.
Yes.
No, ma'am, your screen is not visible.
Visible.
Prachi ma'am?
Ma'am, your screen is visible. The one who can't see has to pin on your presentation screen.
Ma'am, do we have to write this?
Yes. You have to write this in your notebook today. Write the chapter name, write topic conversion, write converting rupees into paise. We know that 1 rupee equals to 100 paisa. So if I say about 1 rupee, so in 1 rupee, how many paisas, children? Please answer me.
100.
100. And in 6 rupees, how many paisas?
600.
In 8 rupees, how many paisas? So what are we doing here?
Converting rupees into paise.
Conversion.
How we are converting rupees into paise?
Multiply by 100.
Yes.
Dividing.
We are no dividing. We are multiplying it by 100. We are multiplying it by 100 because in 1 rupee there are 100 paisa. So 2 rupees make 200. 2 into multiply by 100. 3 multiply by 100. Wait a minute. 3 multiply by 100. 5 multiply by 100. So this way when we multiply with the 100, rupees with the 100, then we will get the paisas. Now start writing in your notebooks. Please switch off your camera, switch off your microphones and start writing. Yes, start writing in your notebooks. I want to see everyone is writing or not. Please stop messaging. You children are still. Yes, Prisha, whatever I'm showing here on the screen, please write.
Ma'am, my mama wants to talk to you.
Which child is this?
Excuse me, ma'am. Lamha, ma'am.
Yes, Lama.
Yes, ma'am. This is Lamha's mother.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I want to ask you, daily I am sending her work in the classroom with attachment. Are you getting or not?
Ma'am, very few worksheets of Lamhas I'm getting, and I inform already to her. If she has sent in between these 2-3 days, I'll check it on Saturday, Sunday and revert her back.
Because yesterday, day before yesterday, daily, now I am sending her work, but I don't know you are getting or not. Just let me know you are getting or not.
Okay, okay.
Thank you.
Excuse me,
Please write. Yes.
Did you receiving my worksheets?
I will talk you later about the worksheets. Please stay online after the class. Let everyone complete this work first. And switch off your microphones.
When we have to make this box around 1 rupees equals
the way it is written in this sheet, please write it in the same way.
So, ma'am, I'm asking you to make box.
Yes. Converting rupees into paisa, we know that 1 rupee equals to 100 paisa. So 2 rupees equals to 200 paisa.
Ma'am, you can scroll down.
Yes, I'm doing. 5 rupees make, see my pencil is showing, but this is 2 rupees, 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupee and 12 rupees. Multiply them with the 100 and convert them into paisas. Write it fast, children.
Ma'am, the time is done. We have the next class also.
Yes, you write this first.
Ma'am, you have to write this in same
Ma'am,
way.
I can't put pencil because the pencil is over there.
1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupees and 12 rupees. Please switch off your microphones, children. Others are getting disturbed.
Done, ma'am.
Done till here, everyone?
No, ma'am, wait 1 minute.
Renu, ma'am. Renu, ma'am.
Wait a minute, my dear. Done, children, till here?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. Yeah. No, ma'am. Wait.
Those who have done, they can leave. Thank you for today's class. We will continue it tomorrow.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Bye, bye, ma'am.
Right. Those who have a doubt, they stay
Bye,
online.
ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am. Renu, ma'am.
Yes, Prisha, I instructed in the beginning that you have to write. Yes, Anushka, tell me what you want to tell.
Bye. Ma'am, that you have said some students to stay back.
Yes, I want to talk with them.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Renu, ma'am, I have a doubt.
Once again.